They're off. And the lead is taken by Friendly Fire from the outside. And moving up in between horses, Don Perigold by the rail is Prince Carlo. And Smarty Pants and Dancing Slew, Calendar Girl, Golden Boy. And bringing up the rear is Please Don't Stop. And as they leave the straight, Don Perigold in the lead, followed by Friendly Fire in second. And Prince Carlo running in third by 3 lengths. Entry number 1, Dancing Slew, Calendar Girl, Smarty Pants, and Golden Boy, Please Don't Stop. At the mid-back stretch, it's still Don Perigold by half length, followed by Friendly Fire on the outside in second. And running in third is entry number 3, Prince Carlo by 5 lengths. And Dancing Slew, Calendar Girl. Entry number 4, Golden Boy. And rounding the far third is Friendly Fire on the outside and Don Perigold by the rail. It's Friendly Fire by half length, Don Perigold by the rail, closing in third. Entry number 3, and that is Prince Carlo. And at the last bend for home, it's still Friendly Fire in the lead, followed by Don Perigold and Prince Carlo now moving up on the outside. At the top of the stretch, Friendly Fire. Prince Carlo moving up on the farther outside, but it's still Friendly Fire in the lead, followed by Prince Carlo on the outside. Friendly Fire and Prince Carlo on the outside. Prince Carlo on the outside and Friendly Fire. And in the payoff line is Prince Carlo. Finally, it's Prince Carlo. Friendly Fire. Don Perigold, Dancing Slew, Please Don't Stop, Smarty